Hi guys, I'm back with same outfit. Don't be surprised if you see me in the same outfit because I'm doing two videos for today. I just did a Portland leather goods triangle bag first impression review video, and probably you've seen that first. As you can see, I have a UPS box, and this is that normal Coach unboxing that you usually see on my videos. So if you want to see what's inside this box, please keep on watching. Before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. And if you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing. And for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and for your support. Now, let's proceed to our unboxing. This was shipped fast. I think, when did I order this one? I can't remember. I have been watching Autumn Beckman on her Coach vintage haul, and I got curious, and I've mentioned before that I'm part of the Coach Facebook group, and they were talking about vintage bags. So I started browsing. I'm curious if I can find a good price vintage Coach bag. So when I googled it, I saw this one on Etsy for a good price. I didn't ask for authentication for this bag. For the price of this bag, I was thinking I'll just take the risk. So it says there it's a vintage bag from Coach, and I just based it on the pictures. Wow. I don't know if this is authentic, but wow. All I can say is wow. This is nice. I am surprised. When I was looking at this bag, there are three of us looking. I think three of us has this in their cart. And you want to know the price? The price for this one is, I think, $35 plus shipping, $11 plus tax. So I paid $54 for this one. Yeah. And I just take a look at the closer look at the pictures it showed. I don't see a lot of like scratch or like leather. I didn't see a lot of wear and tear on this bag, so I added it in my cart, purchased it right away. For that price, why not, right? $50 for a Coach bag, vintage one. So I said, why not? So I purchased it. I am surprised. I hope this is authentic, because I don't know how to authenticate vintage Coach bags, and I don't know the name of this bag as well. If I will look at the website again where I purchased it, and I'll just insert the name here. But I am surprised. This one has a long shoulder strap. It has raw leather, like it's all raw leather. I like the leather. It's thick. I mean, substantial leather and raw. Ooh. It has no smell, like, you know, the old smell. It doesn't have that. It has that thrift store air conditioned smell. Not the bad air conditioned thrift store smell. Just, you know, when you enter an air conditioned thrift store, not the bad smell one, it's just, you know, a little old. That's how it smells like, but there's no cigarette or strong perfume smell on this one. Okay, so I don't know if this is authentic, but looking at this bag, this is the front pocket, and this is the inside. Where is the Coach Creed? That's a Coach Creed. I don't know if you can see it, but hopefully this is authentic. And if this is authentic, wow, this is really a good price. It looks like a court tag, but I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. And the shoulder strap, it looks good. It really looks good. And this is the clasp looks like. Wow. But it doesn't have any like Coach written to it, so I'm not sure. I don't see any Coach written to it. And even on the D-ring, I don't see any, but I don't know. But I'm surprised with the quality of this bag. It's not in bad shape. Actually, it's in a good condition for a vintage bag. I have to see more the Coach grade on the age, and I have to research more, but this is a good purchase. All I can say, this is a good purchase. Not a lot of scratch marks, no strong smell. The only thing I can see right now from this bag is like scratch marks. Yeah, this, yeah, like scratch marks, and the edges. It needs conditioning. I hope with the Coach leather conditioner, this will be able to look better. It has a shoulder strap. Wow, I am surprised. This is going to be addicting. This is bad. This is going to be bad. Purchasing vintage bags. Lately, I have not, since I purchased the Portland leather goods bags, I haven't really been like stalking. I would say stalking. I haven't been stalking the Coach and Coach Outlet website. I will browse here and there what's their sale, but not really like actively looking on an everyday basis. Like if I see something posted on the Facebook group and I saw something I like, then I'll look at the website, but not really like every day. Unlike before, I usually go to their website almost every day, like frequently. But since I purchased the Portland leather goods bag, I haven't been doing that. This might be a new addiction. The vintage bags. Wow. I hope I can purchase again bags, vintage Coach bags at this price and at this good condition. So that's it for our video for today. I hope you like this kind of unboxing video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye. This is really good.